We are global, we are local, we are accessible, we are transformative, we are bold, we are everywhere. Chitkara University Initiative Global Engineering Week brings us the eminent professors from our partner universities, and today I have the privilege of having with me Professor Andrew from GCU Scotland. Professor, it's been a pleasure having you here for the past 1 week. Please introduce yourself to our students, to Chitkara fraternity, and how your experience has been at Chitkara as of now.
Thank you. First of all, a welcome. My name's Andrew Quinn from Glasgow Caledonian University in Scotland. A welcome to and thanks to Chitkara University for inviting me to participate in the Global Engineering Week. It's not my first time. I come here because it's always a fantastic...
It's homecoming for him.
It's a homecoming. It's always a fantastic experience. And more than that, I get so much out of the visit. I go back home re-energized, revitalized. I come back with new ideas, new thoughts, new ways of working. I find it very intuitive. The students are very dynamic. They make us feel most welcome, as does everybody, of course. And so overall, it's just a marvelous experience.
Okay, so what was the subject that you taught to our students, and how was the experience with the students? Because when we invite people like you to share your expertise, so what was the subject that you shared with our students?
That's a very good question, because the subject was power electronics, and I was teaching computing students. So it was quite difficult, and it was difficult for them, I think, to understand a little bit more depth of electronics than they would normally need. But they responded so well, they asked so many interesting questions. In addition to that, they were interested to know how they can study power electronics. So I might have caused a small problem, sincerely.
So that means I think that gives an initiative to students to have a wider perspective beyond a classroom in a normal way, and then a global engineering week happening, giving them an insight that what the globe is expecting them of. So how do you think our students Chitkara students are prepared for the world?
I think it even goes beyond that, because you're right, you broaden their curriculum, they see a different perspective, they see a foreign lecturer, professor coming in, talking to them. But what was interesting particularly about the group this week was they were innovative. They were asking questions, they wanted to know how to take it forward. And we were really, they and I were all saying the same thing. As an engineer, as a computer science, we need to think outside the box. We need to be more inventive, more innovative, and to take forward all these scientific ideas.
Well, it has been a wonderful feedback from you for our students, and I'm sure they must be inspired by your presence, and we look forward to have you back again to home called Chitkara University. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us.
Thank you again to Chitkara University, to all the staff, and particularly to the students. Marvellous time for me. Thank you.
This is signing off from Chitkara University Global Engineering Week. Thank you so much.